What's up, Shadow Twerkers? It's Taya Simone, and I'm back with another video. Oh, this is the bi-weekly videos. Damn. Alright, so I'm live now. I was like, alright, fuck it. I was already live for the daily video. I might as well just keep going live. So, I am live with the Aqua video. So, what's up, Aquas? Shout out, gang, 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 gang. Alright. What's up, Aqua? Let's see what's up for the next 2 weeks. This is going to be for April, technically 1st. So, April 1st to April, 14th, 15th? Something like that. Let's see what's up. Whew. I'm not going to lie, I'm a little bit nervous. I'm not even going to say nervous. I'm a little bit excited. to be live right now. So I feel like I wish I could get the stiffness out of his hair. But I feel like, oh, okay, all time, first card out. The muscles on this guy, right? But I feel like you're not allowing yourself to be nervous or to be scared or to be demotivated. I feel like Aqua, you're working on yourself all the time, so much to a point where you just, whatever superhero of yourself you see in your head, or whatever like higher self, higher calling, higher whatever, like the highest version of yourself that you see of yourself, you're just like, I'm just doing it, like fuck it, like fuck everything, like I'm doing this shit all the time for the rest of my life because this is the shit that makes me happy, right? Or this is the shit that makes me feel good. This is the shit that makes me strong. This is the shit that I just want to do all the time and get better at and better at. Like, that's how I'm feeling. That's how I'm feeling. And then let's see what else we got. So we got all time, something that we're doing all the time. Ooh. Don't stop, try again. So yeah, I feel like Aqua, you're really working hard on something, whether it's yourself, a project, a love relationship, a job, a new thing, whatever it is for you, Aqua, you're working really hard on something all the time. And it can be frustrating because with don't stop, try again, it's like you may be failing at it, or you may have felt like you failed at something and you felt like you wanted to give up. And then it's like, I feel like you felt like that way before, but again, because you keep doing this all the time, like because you keep putting yourself in this situation, it's like muscle memory. I know I'm getting muscle memory now from that card. I never really got that before, but nice. Okay, business trip. I don't know about y'all, but I want to go to Dubai. Okay. So shout out Dubai. If you're from Dubai, put that in the comments. Let me see. But yeah, so business trips. I feel like you're working on yourself so much that it just leads to travel. It just leads to change, to moving somewhere or changing something or getting somewhere. It could be literal travel, or it could be I don't want to say like digital, because like goddamn, is that really what the world has come to? But like just progress. Like I'm feeling progress with this business trip. Like progress and travel. Progress. Yeah, something you're working on all the time. And then, oh shit, loyal customers, forget your ex, and heartbroken. Yikes. Okay, let's see. All the time. Well, not all the time. all time? Why is all time here? Why is all time here for Aqua? What's this muscle memory? What the fuck is going on? Why do I keep wanting to say all the time? All time. All time. Hell no. Hell no. What is this? Oh, wow. The High Priestess. So, I feel like it's your intuition or listening to yourself or trusting yourself or focusing on yourself. And again, like your higher calling, your higher being, however you see that being, you know, like I'm going to just use a superhero just because it's easy and I like superheroes that I make. So like, okay, so you're focused on building this. You're focused on building your intuition and balancing yourself out and focusing on your abundance and the things that will bring you joy, the things that will bring you success, the things that will bring you affluence, and then secret knowledge. Just like, you see what she has in her hand? The Torah, like, just hidden knowledge is like what I'm feeling. Like you're learning new things. You're learning new things about yourself and about whatever it is that you're focused on. So I feel like before things may have been unclear with the Ace of Swords in reverse, or maybe you didn't really have control over your thoughts, or you didn't really know what you were thinking, and it took a lot of inner strength with strength in reverse to get through that. But yeah, like you have some secrets to show to yourself or to know or to learn, because shit was out of control. Shit was out of control, and I think that that's what leads us to this don't stop, try again. So it's like you could see, like Aqua, you could see the end, you could see the picture, like, you know what I'm saying, but you don't, like, you can see the end, but you don't see all the steps through the journey. And you're like, okay, well, is it safe? Can I do it? Like, am I prepared? Like, do I have everything? And then it's like you try to procrastinate and wait until you think that you're ready. But from what I can tell, nobody knows when they're ready. And you just gotta do it. And then you just gotta keep going. Whenever you fall or you fail or you stop or whatever the case is, just try again. Don't stop. Try again. Do it again and do it again and again and again until, again, it's muscle memory. Like, you don't even have to think about it. You just do it. And then you're like, oh, well, damn, it's done. Let me shift this focus to something else that I want to do. Something else that I want to just have that shit automate. You know what I'm saying? Like, program yourself. Program yourself. I feel like that's what you're doing, Aqua. I feel like you're focused on reprogramming yourself or retraining yourself or reteaching yourself how to live your life. Wow. All the fucking swords. All the fucking swords. Okay, so we have the King of Swords reversed, the Ace of Swords, and then the Five of Swords, which is our energy. Look at this. Look at this. Okay, so with the King of Swords, I'm feeling like, well, for all of it, for real, because I don't really feel like breaking it down like that, but I'm feeling like shit was unclear. You didn't know, like, what battles were yours or what was somebody else's. It's almost like you were picking up other people's energy or picking up other people's, like, problems and traumas and stuff and just taking it on as your own. And then when they walk away from you, you're like, well, what do I have? What's going on with me? And now shifting your focus to be more in service to yourself instead of in service to others. I feel like breathe, excuse me. Don't excuse me. I'm trying to stop saying that. I'm not saying that anymore. Excuse me, I didn't do anything wrong. So fast forward. simple things like that. Like, you know how, Aqua, just quick rant. You know how most people just say excuse me without even thinking about what that really means? And in actuality, I looked up the word excuse, and it's like to say in accordance to having an offense being made, or basically offending somebody, right? So I'm like, damn, do I really feel like I'm offending all of these people every time I say excuse me? Do I really need to say excuse me? Like, you know, like, and it's just like, why do I say that? And then just kind of analyzing different things about yourself, like different thoughts and ideas and emotions that, not even emotions, because there's no emotion here. I feel like all of this is in your head. Like, all of this is you talking to yourself, or you communicating with your higher self, rather. And your higher self is like, yo, like, why are you holding on to this? Why do you think that way? What is it about you, this holding on to this negative energy, or this negative way of thinking? Like, why are you doing that? And then having to face yourself, because now you don't have anybody else to fight, or you don't have anybody else like around, or nobody can really get to you in this space. It's like these people are like, I don't really want to fight, so they leave. And then now he's left with the thoughts of, well, why don't they want to fight? Or why don't they want to engage with me? Why don't they want to work with me? Why don't they want to be around me? And then almost feeling defeated. These could also be teammates or colleagues. Like, he's like, hey, let's go on this journey. Let's go on this adventure together. And then they're like, nah, I'm good. I don't really want to work with you anymore. I don't really want to be your friend anymore. I don't really want to deal with you anymore. Like, I want to be in communication with you. Like, you just, no. And then this person is like, well, why? And then having to go inside and figure out that why, and then have the courage to get up and try again, or to get up and go find new friends, to get up and go find new love, to get up and go find a new job, get up and go find a new lifestyle. You know what I'm saying? So I feel like that's what this don't stop, try again is, and it's all time. And yeah, that was long-winded. I almost said it again. But yeah, so Four Swords is basically being at rest, or needing to rest, because shit's not working. Like, that's not happy. Well, this way it's not happy, but like, people are unhappy, or you're unhappy, but you're coming out of this energy where you're overthinking things, or where you're finding bits and pieces of thoughts and memories within yourself that are literally killing you, and changing those thoughts, or letting those thoughts go. Yeah. So let's see what's up with business trip. How am I doing on time? Oh, damn, I can't even see. Business trip for Aqua. I'm going to take that one. Page of Swords. God damn, Aqua, like, I've been doing a lot of thinking, or a lot of analyzing, or a lot of just, I understand. So fast forward. We have the Page of Swords. So the Page of Swords, with that, I'm getting messages about people wanting to have progress with you, or to move with you, or to have these business endeavors with you, or to go somewhere for business, or you're basically receiving messages in word, or you're giving messages in word on this business trip, or this business endeavor, this business idea. Let me see. Okay, split the deck. We have the Two of Pentacles reversed. So I feel like you have made a decision now. You've made a decision on what you want to try again, how you want to try again. And then the Nine of Wands, which is basically being almost there, is what I want to say, Aqua. Like, you are almost there. So like I said, it's like, matter of fact, that was for the general reading today, so you might want to check that out. But basically, the universe is waiting on you to say when you're ready, because it's like you almost at the end, and it's like, all right, you got to do this one more thing, and the last thing you have to do is say that you're ready, is to make this decision to move forward. and to move away from, you know, like this old energy. Let me see. Yeah, like I feel like the universe and people around you are wanting to exchange with you, or wanting to have an equal give and take with you. Nice. Nice. All right, so I'm going to leave that there. Let's pull an oracle. Nice. I feel like the hard work is done, Aqua. Like, all that's left is for real, to just live this life, to just have fun, to just, you know, like really get into it, because now you've cleared out everything that was not yours, or like all these ideas and thoughts and things that you thought you wanted to do, but you might have realized, oh, well, no, damn, that was my parents. Oh, damn, that was my friends. Or damn, that was this ex-lover. Like, I didn't even want that for myself. They wanted that for me. And then really like letting all that shit go and really deciding what you want for you, or at least putting yourself in a situation where you can figure that out, is working in your favor. How many cards is that? Hell no. No, the goddamn okay, that's more like it. Bruh. Okay, confidence is your key to success. Got that Leo energy. And you and your loved ones are safe. So, yeah, I feel that for sure. Like, make your decisions. I want to say quickly, but then I don't really want to say quickly. It's more of a really take your time to decide what you want. But once you know what you want, speak that, say that, write that down. Really just put it out here. Just bring it out of your head, Aqua, because I feel like a lot has been in your head. And there's really a need for you to write something down, or to say something to someone, or to like literally speak it. Especially with all these swords, like literally speak it, like say something. And I feel like soon you're going to be receiving more messages than you even expected to, or more ideas, or more thoughts, or more. I feel like something is being expanded by communication. I'm gonna let that go. But yeah, so boom, yeah, again, adjustments are required. This was in the daily reading today, so watch that, Aqua. Like, check that out, because I feel like it pretty much aligns with your reading as well. So that is what I have for you today. If you've enjoyed this reading, please make sure to like the video, comment, share, communicate, share. Yeah, share the video or whatever. And subscribe to the channel, okay? Turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos. And if you need a personal reading, you already know information for that is in the description box below. So yeah, until next time, you are truly legendary. I love you, and I will see you later.